Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today you know who it is, it's your boy Gideon Julius. So if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This channel I make videos around online money making, generally how to make money online. This is what I discuss in this channel. I give out tips and ideas and instructions and pure direct online videos that will help you make money online. So today I want to discuss 4 websites that can help you make money in Nigeria. Listen, this is for Nigerians or people around Africa. Besides Egypt, it's something that I've tried, it's something that I'm doing. And it's not something that it's not scam. It's legit, and you don't need to. It's not affiliate marketing. It's not something that you're going to sell something. It's just when you perform task, you get paid for it. So you just have to perform a task and get paid for it. That's how it is. So I'm going to discuss 4 websites that you can start today. I mean, right now, to start making money today. I mean, literally today, as I'm talking to you right now. Once you click off this video, just go to the site. You will start performing some tasks that will get you paid. So I know that some people will see this video as normal scam or normal videos like I've seen, but if you take advantage of this video, you will be grateful for this video. So the number 1 website I want to talk about is Viral Trend. Yes, Viral Trend is a website that pays you for tasks. They do social media tasks like subscribe to the channel, views, likes, all those kind of tasks, and they help people to get influence online. That's how I would put it. They help you to get, so if you want to get views, you want to get likes, you want to get subscribers, you want to get all those things, you can get them from Viral Trend. And also if you want to make money doing those things, you can also do Viral Trend. So Viral Trend is a very good platform. I have an account with them. Maybe I'll put it in this video so that you can see from real that it's real. I've been doing it for some time. I've made some money from there legitimately, and I feel like to share it with people because this YouTube channel is about helping people to make money online, sharing your ideas and what you want for people to make money online. That's what this YouTube channel is all about. So if you go to Viral Trend, register. I'll put a link in this video for you to register. Okay. Once you join Viral Trend, they will give you a task like Instagram posts, subscribe to an Instagram channel, follow the YouTube, like a YouTube video, share a YouTube video, like a Facebook page, things like that. So it's very easy and doesn't take time. The very good part about it is that Viral Trend is like a minute maximum. All the tasks is maximum of 1 minute. So a minute you have done one task, and they can pay as high as 10 naira for one task. And it depends on how the task is. They can pay as low as 6, 4, 3 naira per task. But those tasks are not. It's not a task that you say it's very tedious and you cannot do. It's something simple that just click the button and you're done. Okay? They have to confirm your task, then they pay you immediately into your account. That's what I'm saying. So it's that simple. So it's not something that you have to think about twice before you do. So number 2 is Owo Daily. Okay, Owo Daily is just as similar as Viral Trend. This is a platform that pay perform tasks. Okay, perform minor tasks. So if you perform those tasks, you get paid for it. Just like Owo Daily, but Owo Daily is different from Viral Trend because Viral Trend is basically focused on social media tasks like a page, subscribe to this channel, view this video, things like that. But Owo Daily is a little bit different because they have different tasks. They have to perform their own tasks different from Viral Trend, and they have different companies that they work with. Okay, it's not just Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. No, they work with Nigerian companies. Like all these apps that are doing loans, banks, different startups that are trying to get their task done, right? So these are platforms that have come up to help people create income just by using their phones. That's what I'm saying. This video is just to help you. If you don't know how to start making money today. It's today. I mean today. This one you don't need to go and join an affiliate program or do anything. All you have to do is just click the link in this video. Join any of these ones, any of these platforms I've talked about now. You start earning money immediately. Like I promised you today, if you join today and you don't make money today, comment on this video and tell me that I'm lying. Okay, that's how it is. I've done these things and I'm part of it. I'm still doing it, and that is why I'm making this video, to encourage you to join. So the third website is called Naija Workers, right? Naija Workers. Naija Workers is just like Owo Daily, okay? But they have different dimensions to their website, to their task. But Naija Workers pay higher, right? Naija Workers pay higher. They pay higher. They can pay as much as 1,000 for a task. They can pay as much as 500. Depends on what task you are performing, right? But the more task you perform, the more money you get. But now, and Naija Workers, they have more tasks, more value tasks. It's not like all these small ones who make from some hundreds of naira to thousands, you know. And they have a different way of farming their task. It's different from ViroTrend and Owo Daily. You can just screenshot what you've done and upload it so that they can confirm it before they will pay you. But in ViroTrend, it's not the same. ViroTrend, once you do the task, you don't need to do screenshot. All you have to do is wait for the confirmation, and once they confirm it, they'll credit you your account. That's how it is. So Naija Workers is a very good platform where you can make a lot of money. That's what I'm saying. And unless I forget, Owo Daily, ViroTrend, Naija Workers, all of them have a premium service. What I mean by premium service, they have a bigger package from free package, right? So if you want to make more money, just like me, when I joined ViroTrend, they were doing, I think their this thing was about 1.5 or so. So I paid 1.5 to get a bigger task. How will I put it? Their premium package, okay? Let me call it premium package for those tasks. You have to pay so that you earn more. You know, there are ones you join, they will pay you less, but if you pay for the premium service, you get more pay. So that's how it works. It's very, very simple. That's what I'm saying. So if you want to know, if you have any doubt on this, check out the link on the description of this video. It's there. So it's very clear. You don't have to be worried about if it is legit or not. You get what I'm saying? The site, this is Nigerian website. It's not foreign. These are Nigerian businesses. They are legally registered in Nigeria. So it's not something, they have offices here. If you feel like they have been duped or you have been scammed, you can easily trace their office here in Lagos and you can meet them. Okay? So these sites can help you start making money today. And I'm not talking about tomorrow, I'm talking about today. As a matter of fact, just download. Some of them are apps, some of them are sites. Just go to the website, type in the names. I will put up the names and the links in this video so that you can join without wasting time. That's what I'm saying. When I heard about, I first joined ViroTrend before I joined the Owo Daily, before I joined this one. That's what I'm saying. There are a lot of them, right? There are a lot of them. It's all about you making research. But let me advise, this kind of programs does not really pay much, okay? Because it's about tasks. You can get tasks and tasks and you get tired and maybe you will not make much. But it's better than nothing, okay? When you are making, maybe in a day you make 5,000 or 2,000 or 3,000, or depends on how much you can make, okay? It's better than nothing. That's what I can say. So the fourth website is not really a task performing website, okay, but it's something that is trending right now in Nigeria. A lot of people introduced me to it the first time. I saw it as a scam, to be sincere. I was skeptical about it until I invested a little money in it and I found out that it is legit, okay. This one is not a tax performing website. It's like a football prediction company. and it came into the area recently. What they do is they predict games for people, right? So all these betting games, all this Bet Naija, Sporting Bets, all these things. So what they do is they predict games for you in their platforms and give you to play. So you play the games in their platform, and you're getting the point. Let's say you put in 10,000 in their platform, they'll give you a game, and you will play for the day, 3 times a day. So those games you play it, you get maybe 3% of your money. Let's say you put in 10,000, you get 3% of it per day. You get what I'm saying? So if you put in 10K, 30% of 10,000 to the maths, that's what you get per day. It's a very, very nice platform. If you put in about 300K, if you have money to invest in it, it's a very lucrative business. People are doing it and people have done it. And it's very, 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 very lucrative. And I can vouch for you and tell you that if you want to do it, I'll put a link in the description of this video. Click it and join the program. It is free to join, but if you want to partake in the predictions and to get the gains, you have to put in money to be part of it. So if you find this video interesting, please subscribe to this channel. If you have anything to say about these platforms I talked about, please drop a comment below. Okay, I will appreciate that. I want to know what you think about my videos and what you think about this topic. That's what I'm saying. Yes, there are many platforms you can make money from just by performing tasks, right? Just by performing tasks. You don't need to join any affiliate program, but the only thing you have to do if you want to make more money is to do the premium service and you get more pay for it. That's what I'm saying. So it's that simple, and trust me, anybody can do it. As long as you have a smartphone, as long as you can watch this video, you can do it. Understand? So this video, please, if you find it interesting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to your friends. You don't know who needs help. You don't know who's looking for this kind of information now. So if you share it to help this channel and to help me. Okay. So that's how I'm going to leave it today. I will see you in my next video. Remain blessed and bye.